Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So today we will have the next discussion, short functional reading, Unit 7. Can you guess what I mean? In this meeting, we will have inferences. Jadi hari ini kita akan membahas topik tentang inferences. So this is the definition. Inference or educated cases is a logical connection that you draw between what you know or notice and what you do not know. We go beyond what is explicit in order to fill informational gaps, come to logical conclusions, and make sense of the world around us. Actually, there are some points that you should keep in mind while you read to make inferences. First, be sure to understand the literal meaning first. The second one, ask yourself some question. So the first question is what the author is trying to tell you. And the second question, why does the author need to give you that fact? So, inferences di sini adalah educated cases ya, logical connection to give information but not explicit in the explicit way. Jadi tidak secara eksplisit. Jadi maka dari itu kita perlu memahami literal meaning, kemudian ask some questions ya. Di sini kurang S ya, some questions. The first question is what the author is trying to tell. Kira-kira apa yang ingin disampaikan penulis. Kemudian why does the author need to give you that fact? Apa alasan penulis memberi fakta atau evidence. And then the third point, consider the descriptive language or the figurative language that the writer use. And then the last point, consider the author purpose. Sometimes ya, the writer atau penulis use ya some descriptive language or figurative language, and setiap menulis itu seseorang pasti punya tujuan ya. So you have to guess. Okay, now try to do exercise 1. So complete the following statement by making inference from that known. From what is known ya. The first is we may infer from the large diamond necklace and platinum rings the woman wore that she is probably, apa kira-kira jawabannya?
Ma'am, I think it's B.
Yes, Narima?
Yes, ma'am, it's B. Wealthy.
B ya, Narima. Okay, B. And then number 2? Bisa dibaca kemudian dijawab.
I think it's sick, ma'am. Yes, I think so. It's sick.
Ya, coba dibaca dulu kemudian dijawab. The second question-nya. We may
infer from the pale face of Anna that she is A, sick.
Sick. So the clue adalah pale face ya.
Yes,
Okay, that's good. Now number 3. We may infer from man's grease-stained hand and fingernails that the probably has been apa kira-kira?
I think it's A, ma'am.
Yes. A, B, C?
I think it's A.
Niputu?
Working on engines.
Yes. Can you repeat?
Yes, ma'am. I think the answer is A. Working on engines.
Yeah. So because of the man's grease-stained hand, yeah. And then the last question.
I guess it's clever, ma'am.
Clever, ma'am. Yang mana? A ya. So what
Yes,
we
ma'am.
may infer from grade A that Sally is clever. Yeah, that's good. So itu tadi from the statement ya. And then now you have to making inference from you have to make inference from conversation. So siapa yang jadi A? A itu siapa namanya? Ana mungkin ya, atau B itu siapa? Oke, saya tunjuk aja ya. Sastia A. Kemudian Nabila, Lauren Nabila B. Ya, silakan.
Okay. So how was it?
Terrible.
Really? You are so excited about going.
I know, but I tell you, I'm glad to be back.
What happened?
First of all, there was the weather. It rained every day, not just a little, but all day. There were gorgeous beaches and no sun.
I guess you didn't get much of the tan.
Look at me, I'm as pale as before.
At least you must have gotten some rest.
Rest. The second day we were there, my husband got sick. He was sneezing and coughing for 3 days and nights, and then I caught his cold. I felt just awful for another 3 days.
Well, how was the food?
That was the only nice things about the whole week, except that we were too sick to enjoy it half the time. Anything new here in the office?
Not much. It's been a slow week.
Yeah, okay. So this is conversation between mungkin two women ya, two women, and A asks some question to B ya about her weekend ya in a beach ya. Okay, so the question kira-kira ya, number 1, where are these people? From the dialogue, can you infer?
I think
Yes, Sastia?
it's the office man.
In the office, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yang lain setuju ya? I agree ya. Okay, number 2, what is their relationship?
Well, I guess it's they are workmates, ma'am, because
They
working
are
in the same
working.
office.
Yes.
Yeah, because they are working in the same office, so they are workmates.
The workers, ya.
Yes.
Friend, ya, workers, mate, ya. And then number 3, what are they talking about?
They're talking about a holiday, ma'am.
Yes, Nikutu. It's they are talking about
a holiday.
Yeah, okay, that's good. And then the last question, are they men or women? Are they men or woman? And how can you tell? The answer apa kira-kira? Definitely.
Ma'am, I think they are women.
Women.
Yes,
How?
because B said my husband.
This is ya, my husband ya. Okay, this is the clue. Okay, so yeah. Next, okay, next. Making inference in reading. So the definition, an inference in reading is an intelligent guess about what the author does not say by using the hints and clues the author does give. Oftentimes, when reading, we encounter a sentence, a paragraph, or an article that the meaning is not always directly stated. Therefore, we have to rely on clues and hints given to arrive at the meaning of the text. Okay, so this is your exercise. Yeah? So in each of these paragraphs, someone is talking about their job. infer what the job is, then underline the words or phrases that help you guess. Oke, number 1, siapa yang mau baca? Mungkin Niputu?
Okay, ma'am. The minute you climb in, you start feeling excited. There's nothing so exciting for me, not even a jet plane. You get in and start up and off you go. And then you've got to pay attention every minute. There's always someone doing something crazy who's likely to end up under your wheels. I sometimes think it's a miracle if I can get all the way there with no accidents. You've always got to be thinking ahead. There are a lot of people in this job who have stomach problems from the tension. They lose their hearing too because of the noise. You've got to be tough on this job, you know?
Ya, kira-kira what is the job actually? Anyone can guess? The minute you climb in, you start feeling excited. Kira-kira apa? Kalau Niputu apa kira-kira? What do you think?
I think it's a paramedic.
Apa?
It's a paramedic.
Paramedic. Oke, yang lain? Sastia, maybe? What do you think? I think the job is pilot, yeah. There are a lot of people in this job who have stomach problem from the tension. Atau semacam ya something that need adrenaline ya, or to be there ya, with climb in ya. It can be something that nah ini clue-nya di sini. There are a lot of people in this job who have stomach problems from the tension. They lose their hearing too because of the noise. Nah ini, you have got to be tough on this job, you know. Oke, kalau pilot kayaknya nggak mungkin ya, because they lose their hearing too. Oke, coba nanti kita try to guess ya, kira-kira what is the suitable job. Next. The second reading text. Siapa kira-kira?
Ma'am, can I read that?
Yes, Hanadia.
Thank you, ma'am. Making inference in reading. My day starts at 4 o'clock in the morning. That's when my feet hit the floor. I'm at work at 5:30 and I finish at 2 in the afternoon. In between, I do a lot of walking. I wear out a lot of shoes each year, maybe 4 or 5 pairs. And my poor feet, at the end of the day, they are really hurting. In other problems is the dog. Sometimes you can make friends with them and they'll follow you around. But other times, they can be mean. I've been bitten a couple of times. I can't say I care much for dogs anymore, but it's not all bad. my job. One thing I like is the way you meet a lot of people. You learn all about their private lives too. It never gets boring.
Ya, oke. Kira-kira what is the job?
I guess it's postman.
Postman? Okay. From what clue? From the sentence yang mana? Which one?
He do a lot of walking and
Ya, ini ya. I do a lot of walking and then I wear out a lot of
wear out a
shoes.
lot of shoes each
Mhm.
year.
Ya.
And she learn about people's
Iya.
private lives.
He learned about
People's private lives and meet a lot of people. And the dogs.
Yeah, actually it can be true ya. This is a postman ya. Yang lain? Ada yang lain? Anyone? Or the same answer? Okay, I think thank you very much ya for the answering ya, for the answer, and I think it is enough and we can try to another topic. Okay, see you and goodbye.